What is up, ladder climbers? This is Antoine Wade, and I run the Black Heights channel where we talk about advancing your career. And the way that you can advance your career is to make sure that you have a great education, meaning a college degree, as well as how to climb the corporate ladder so you can make a whole bunch of money. I know that sounds good to you guys because everybody wants to make a whole bunch of money, to have a lot of resources in life, to do whatever they want to do. Let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I am a six-figure earner as well as a millionaire, and I'm the owner of the Black Heights channel and the Black Heights business, which is a coaching company. But what I wanted to do in this video today, guys, is I get a lot of comments in my comment section about management information systems. Is it the same as business information systems? Is it the same as information systems? Is it the same as business technology management? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to answer a few comments on if management information systems / information technology management is the same as some of these that you guys have been asking about. But before we get to the video, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be alerted when I drop that new content. Also, guys, I need your support to help this channel grow. So go ahead and stomp on that like button as it helps us defeat the YouTube algorithm, which has been hating on me lately, man. They've been hating on me lately. And it's probably because I'm pushing a whole bunch of educational content that they don't want me to push. Is that the case? Or is it that the fact that you guys don't want to watch it? Either way, I need you to watch this video in its entirety so that it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now, guys, since I went to University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, I'm going to use that as a reference point for information technology management / management information systems. And we're going to use some other reputable schools to show the overview in the course requirement to determine at the end of this video if they are somewhat the same, or are they the same, or are there some minor differences and so forth that you guys need to consider. Let's jump into University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, which is information technology management, also known as management information systems. So guys, let's look at the overview of information technology management at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee. I am an alumni at this school. It's a fantastic school. And guess what, guys? Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella got his Master's of Science from this school, Master's in Computer Science. But as you can see, the Information Technology Management program at the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee is a Bachelor's of Business Administration. You can see that it's in the School of Business Administration. And the degree basically provides undergraduate students with the knowledge needed to develop creative and effective business solutions based on a thorough comprehension of business problems and opportunities. To that end, students are provided with a strong technical foundation in contemporary approaches to business application systems development, which includes planning, analysis, design, project management, programming, maintenance, and support of state-of-the-art technologies, tools, and techniques, as well as a central background in various business functional areas such as management, marketing, accounting, finance, supply chain, and economics. In addition, there's an emphasis on the communication skills and the teamwork critical to client understanding and satisfaction. So guys, it's a combination of technology as well as a strong business foundation. That's what management information systems is. That's what information technology management is. Now you see up here that it says information technology management. Yes, it's true. But when I was going to the school, it was called management information systems. And it is the exact same program that still exists today with a lot of the same professors that I had from back then. The requirements or the core curriculum is the exact same. So let's do this. Now that we have an understanding of the overview, let's look at the requirements, meaning the courses, right? Let's look at the overall courses. And what I'm going to do here is I'm not going to look at the core courses, meaning the courses that you're going to get as general courses when you first get into the program. What I'm going to look at is the business courses as well as the technology courses to show you what the differences are. So we're going to skip past this general education, right? We're going to skip past all of that because most schools require you to have some level of general education when you go to school here in the United States. But let's look at the business foundation courses. Principles of microeconomics, principles of macroeconomics, introduction to financial accounting, introduction to information technology management, quantitative models for business. Let's find out what that means. That is basically applications of algebra, functions, and optimization methods in business and in economic settings. Okay, so it's another math course. You also have survey and calculus and analytic geometry, public speaking, as well as business and professional communication. So a strong business focus, economics, accounting, math, public speaking, and public communication. Now let's move on. Let's look at the business courses, because those aren't the core business courses. These are the core business courses. Managerial accounting, statistic modeling in business analytics. Let's look at what this course says. This course says is introducing statistic models and methods used in business analytics. Topics include descriptive statistics, probability, hypothesis testing, and so forth, and linear regression. So another math course. Career and professional development. Let's see what this one is. Skills necessary to enter the job market. So it's this school, I must say that they did a really good job at helping us to land jobs directly out of college. They prepared us. They prepared me. That's how I was able to land a software engineer job directly out of college and so forth. But organizations is an introduction to human behavior in organizations, organizational structures and processes with interactions between organizations and their environment. So the students will examine various theories and research findings or selected topics. So, and this is one of those classes, guys, that you're going to be able to learn how to navigate an organization, being a manager or leader and so forth. Principles of finance, principles of marketing, introduction to supply chain management, business law, and management analysis. So a strong core business education and management information systems, guys, from accounting to professional development, to organizations, to finance, to marketing, to supply chain, basically all aspects of an overall business. And then you have an international business component that you need to take. So that's whether international finance or international marketing or international business or a study abroad, and then or cross-cultural management and things like that. Let's look at the core technology courses now. And it looks like there's a total of 4 of them. The first one being Introduction to Business Application Development. It is structured techniques for business application development, program design, development methodologies, testing, quality assurance, implementation with an appropriate language. So you're going to learn about the full life cycle of system development and design with a language. Back then, we were using VB.NET or some sort of .NET language. Then you also have object-oriented systems development. You're going to learn how to program in an object-oriented language and learn about object-oriented concepts. So that's 2 programming courses. Database management systems. So you're going to learn how to things about data modeling, SQL, data resource management, client server databases, implementation using DBMS products. And then you're going to have system analysis and design, which is system development methodologies, system modeling, requirements, specification, structure design, and system implementation, automated use of automated development tools. So a strong emphasis on coding, a strong emphasis on database management, where, obviously you can place objects into a database, and then the design of overall systems. And then you have electives that you can take, electives such as information technology management topics, information technology management professional internship, which I did an internship and so forth, business intelligence. You can do web development applications for interconnected systems, enterprise systems concepts, business process integration, web application server development. This is one of the courses that I took as an elective myself. So guys, you see that the management information systems, information technology management is a strong business focus with development as well as database, as well as system in design and system analysis, implementation of systems is what management information systems is about. So let's do this. Let's move over to information systems, and I'm going to use the University of Wisconsin, which is a fantastic school, a top 25 school, known as the best part of your school as well too, as an example of information systems to see how close they are related to each other. Now let's look at this. Let's look at the overview. Let me do this. Let me blow this up a little bit. I want you guys to be able to see. So information systems at the University of Wisconsin is built on a solid foundation of business information technology curriculum. The major in information systems delivers a unique blend of business acumen, industry standards, and practical computing instructions. So students enjoy successful placement and satisfying careers because they possess both the in-depth knowledge of business processes and the ability to readily translate business requirements into value-added IT solutions. The curriculum is designed to prepare effective leaders in design, development, management of information systems. Guys, this sounds pretty much the same, right? Now let's do this. Let's go over to the requirements here and see what the courses are, what is required of the courses. So of course they have a general business requirement, the information systems requirements, and let's look at that from a technical perspective. Contemporary topics, let's look at what that is. Exploration of subject areas possibly to be introduced in the business curriculum. That's what that is. Okay, data science programming 1. Introduction to data science programming using Python. No previous programming experience is required. So you're going to get a programming class as well too. Technology of computer business systems. Let's see what that one is. It is focused in on the developing applications and business information systems on the web using a variety of programming languages and tools. So another programming class. So that's 2 programming classes for information systems, as well as, let's look at this one, computer-based data management. Students learn how to analyze information requirements and data flows, design, build effective database systems. Wow, it is looking like the same as the Management Information Systems Information Technology program of the University of Wisconsin, Milwaukee. Last one is analysis and design of computer-based systems. Analysis of business systems to identify possible need for new or improved computer-based systems and the design of systems to meet those needs. Again, they are looking the exact same. That you have an opportunity to take some electives as well. They got programming 2, programming 3, contemporary topics, introduction to human factors, introduction to quality engineering, special topics in industrial marketing, marketing research, fundamental supply chain. So they don't have as much of the technical besides the programming up at the top, but I guess you can select whatever your electives are based on your interests at that time, entrepreneurship, management, and so forth. Let's look at the business requirements at the University of Wisconsin and see if they're somewhat of the same. Introduction to finance, marketing management, management organizations, operations management, the same business breadth course. Yes, so it is basically the same type of degrees, guys. Economics, econometrics, applied economics, health analytics, statistics. Yes, so if I was to look at this and talk about, if there are any difference between the 2 programs, between University of Wisconsin Milwaukee Management Information Systems / ITM or University of Wisconsin Madison Information Systems, there's no difference. There's no difference at all at a high level, guys. Different schools, different names, different schools, different names. Now let's do this. Let's move over to another degree program that I was asked about called Business Information Management. And this is at the University of California, Irvine. So let's do this. I'm going to blow this one up so that you guys have an opportunity to see what this one is in the overview. As a business environment becomes increasingly global and information-centric, the need has increased for graduates who understand and can use technology that gathers and provides information, who are able to distill and recognize patterns in that information, and who can apply those analyses to achieve business objectives. The program seeks to educate students to understand and then apply the theories and concepts of broad integrated curriculum covering computing, informatics, business fundamentals, and analytical decision making. The major prepares students for a wide variety of careers and life experiences. Business information management majors can pursue careers in for-profit, not-for-profit sectors, or can proceed to graduate school in several disciplines, including information systems, computing, economics, business, and law. So at a high level, it looks like they're very similar. The difference is between this one and the other 2 is this one is a Bachelor of Science. Seems like it's going to be more science focused, whereas the other 2 at the University of Wisconsin Milwaukee, University of Wisconsin Madison, are Bachelors of Business Administration in the business school. So let's look at the requirements for business information management here. Okay, the requirements here from the technical side, the major requirements: introduction to programming, programming with software libraries. So you have introduction to programming, fundamentals and techniques for writing software in a high-level programming language. Okay, good. Programming software libraries, construction of programs for problems and computing environments, move from varied library modules, applications such as graphics, sound, GUI, database, web. Okay, understood. Intermediate programming. So it looks like there's a good level, a good number of programming classes that you can take, and it looks like you can take one or the other, group 1 or group 2. There's Python programming and libraries. There's intermediate programming. And you have to complete the following: programming in Java as a second language, introduction to software engineering. So you are starting to see that business information management at UC Irvine It's heavily focused on a lot of the programming courses, programming in Java, Python, assembly language, or whatever languages that they're saying it is, software libraries. You also have Introduction to Software Engineering, which is concepts, methods, and current practices of software engineering, large-scale software production, software lifecycle models, principles, and techniques. Okay. Algebra, which is those statistics, economics. It has some business courses to it, accounting, management science, managing organizational behavior, introduction to marketing, strategic management, introduction to managerial finance, management of information technology, operations management. So it has business courses in it as well. I would say there's a bit of a difference. It seems like this one is more heavily on the programming side as well too, but there's not that much of a difference, guys. Business courses, combination with technical courses, business and technological courses as well too. Different schools call them different things. But if you were to look at the overall concepts behind it, they are covering the same things. Just different schools call them different things. So that's business information management at the University of California, Irvine. Again, the biggest difference is that one is a Bachelor of Science and the other two are Bachelors of Business Administration. Typically, a Bachelor of Science will be considered to be a STEM, but if you think about it, MIS, ITM, it's technology. If you think about information systems, it's technology, so those are included in STEMs as well too. Let's now move over to business information systems at Oregon State University, another good school here. Business information systems. So we compared business information management, information systems, information technology management. Information technology management, information systems basically the same, different schools, different names. Business information management, the only difference is Bachelor of Science versus Bachelors of Business Administration. Let's see what Business Information Systems is at Oregon State University. Business Information Systems is an exciting and competitive field with high salary potential and expanding job prospects. Examples include jobs as a business process analyst, IT project manager, data modeler, system analyst, developer, or database administrator, just to name a few. But the whole point of this is, as business continue to improve their competitive advantage, information systems such as databases, web services, and business applications are supplying strategic and operational opportunities for business leadership and decision making. You learn how to harness technology to help organizations gain the right insights, improve operations, make the right predictions, and achieve a competitive advantage in today's rapidly changing environment. You will study the fundamentals of business administration while learning to architect, manage, develop, and deploy information systems. Whoa, sounds like the same to me. They have required courses: business application development, business data management, business information systems design and level, project management, business telecom and networking, information system security, introduction to business analytics. Guys, those are the technical courses. I mean, like those are the technical courses that they're offering. Nothing outside of any of this stuff. So if I was to say this is what I'll say. When I look at these programs and I'm asked a question, hey, Antoine, is business information systems the same as management information systems? Is business technology management the same as management information systems? Is information systems the same as management information systems? Or is information technology management the same as information systems? I am likely to say yes, because they are hoping to find out, or they're hoping to solve the same problem. Creating talent that allows for the talent to learn technology and to help a business with the use of technology. So information systems, management information systems, information technology management, business information systems, all create individuals who have a knack for technology, but also likes the business. And the whole ultimate goal is to find out ways that you can help improve the business with efficiencies and technology and so forth, improve processes. The coursework are very similar. A lot of business courses that you're going to take in order for you to learn the fundamentals of a business. Some may have a little bit, 1 or 2 or 3 more business courses. They're also going to have a combination of technical courses, technology courses related to programming, database management, system analysis and design. They're all going to have it. One may have 1 or 2 more programming courses, but they ultimately are trying to solve the same problem, to try to create individuals that can help businesses with the use of technology. So when people ask me that question, I'm likely going to say, yes, it's basically the same. They're exactly all the same, guys. So I put them in that same bucket because they solve the same exact thing. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, because I did enjoy putting it together for you guys. It's one of those videos that I don't have to do a lot of editing on, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, if you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't hit that subscribe button or that notification bell, go ahead and hit that subscribe and that notification bell. And until next time, y'all, peace.